What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on today's video. Today, it's gonna be a short one. Nice, easy, quick. You know what's up. You know what's up. We're gonna do a Shinobi Shorts extra video. So, I wanted to do an experiment before I start my next project guitar, which I have not unveiled to you yet, but it is coming soon. So make sure you watch and find out. But I wanted to see if regular dumb old construction paper will act as a faux veneer in place of something like ebony or something, for those real nice, you know, I don't know what you would call it, border splits or whatever, when you have a certain type of wood and then you have two blacks on each side and then the different kind of wood. Looks real nice like. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and try that out. I'm gonna just sandwich that in between a little cut off of mahogany that I got. So remember, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up video, and if you really like the video, hit that subscribe for me. Let's get to it. Well, that definitely came out a lot better than I thought it was gonna. You know, it is looking super nice. You know, where I put the single sheet, it's a little too thin for my liking, but the two sheets I think might be perfect. I might even try 3 sheets, really. And really, this is a much more eco-friendly way than using something like a veneered ebony or something. So, you know, let your boy Tim Sway know that I'm on the same page. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching the video. We really appreciate it. Check out all of our builds. Check out our Great Guitar Build Off 2021. Those are just coming out right now, the full final builds. And stay tuned for our next builds. We will be unveiling what we are doing for the next few months as far as builds go. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, see you guys on the next one. Later.